welcome back to my channel. This is your Tito, ready to teach you. Before we start, don't forget to click the subscribe button kung hindi pa kayo nakasubscribe at huwag din kalimutan i-click ang notification bell para maging updated kayo sa mga bago kong videos. Welcome to our very first video in almost a month. Pasensya na at busy ang Tito but we're back. By the way, this video is sponsored by Techculture, your one-stop shop for your Apple and other tech needs. For this episode, we will be discussing pivot tables for Google Sheets. Actually, parehas ang approach ng pag-pivot sa Google Sheets and MS Excel. Ang pinagkaiba lang is yung interface. They are similar in functionality din. Ang kagandahan ng pivot tables is that they allow you to interactively explore your data in different ways. So, what are we waiting for? Simulan na natin. Very basic lang ang sample natin for this one. It's a fictitious company. Okay? With 26 employees. So what we are going to do is to select the cells with the contents na gusto natin gawa ng pivot table. So for this case, select natin to. Okay? And then, let's click data. Okay. So ang kinaiba niya, or in contrast with Microsoft Excel, sa Microsoft Excel, insert mo siya makikita. Dito naman, sa data. So let's click pivot table. And then, let's hit create. Okay. So that's it, no? Dito sa right side pane, makikita nyo ang slight difference siya compared with MS Excel. Dito kasi simplified siya. So let's click the rows, okay? And then let's say ang gusto nating makita is yung gender muna. Okay? And then let's add the values for that. So, parehas lang kung ano pinili mo dito sa rows, ganun din yung pipiliin natin dito sa values. So, let's click gender. So, kung mapapansin nyo, balance siya, no? So, 26 to. Dito sa original or master file natin, 2016 siya. Okay, so let's try another data. So, let's delete this one. Okay, let's add, for instance, position. Okay, we would like to know how many head count for each particular position. So, set the values. So, just click position. So, ayan din siya. Okay. So, ang importante with pivot table, do sa master file, dapat malinis siya. Okay? Wala siyang wala siyang merge cells or very consistent yung mga data na ini-input natin. Kasi magkaroon lang tayo ng iba dito. Magkakaroon ng impact sa pivot table natin. So, subukan natin para mas makita nyo. Halimbawa, itong HR correct, nilagyan ko ng space dito. Okay. So, let's try to check. No? Dito ko mapapansin yung HR correct, dalawa. So, nagkaroon din ng isa. Okay. So, dumalawa siya. Or, naging dalawa yung division niya dito sa pivot table. So, pag tinanggal natin siya dito, okay, so mag-automate siya dito at mawawala siya. Okay? So actually, that's very basic. Ang importante lang dapat, again, consistent yung data at very OC or obsessive compulsive nagtatype para clean or malinis yung data natin. Okay, so that's it. I hope may bago kayo natutunan. Please hit like if nagustuhan nyo and subscribe to our channel and stay tuned for more tutorials. Thank you so much.